Nothing says comfort like a warm, homemade apple pie. And today, we're taking it to the next level with a silky crème anglaise. We start with crisp apples, sliced and coated in sugar, cinnamon, and a touch of lemon for balance. The aroma already feels like home. Next, our buttery pastry, golden, flaky, and the perfect hug for that spiced apple filling. We gently layer it in, sealing all that goodness inside. Into the oven it goes, baking until perfectly golden and bubbling. While the pie bakes, we prepare our crème anglaise, a smooth vanilla custard sauce. Gently heated milk, rich egg yolks, sugar, and a hint of vanilla whisked together into a velvety cream that will pour like silk. Out of the oven, the pie is ready. Crisp crust, tender apples, and that sweet cinnamon scent filling the air. Serve it warm, with a drizzle of crème anglaise over the top. Perfect for Valentine's Day, or any day you want to share a little love. This apple pie is a winner.